Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate analytics reporting with Google Analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate analytics reporting with Google Analytics, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the property for which you want to set up automated reporting. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Reports section. Identify the specific report you wish to automate. Once you have selected the report, look for the Share button at the top right of the report interface. Click on the Share button to explore reporting options. Choose the Schedule option from the drop-down menu. In the scheduling window, start by selecting the frequency of your report. You can choose options like daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs. Next, specify the days and time of day you would like the report to be sent. Ensure you enter the recipient's email addresses in the designated field. You may add multiple email addresses separated by commas. Below the recipient section, there are options to include various formats for your report. Select the format that best fits your audience, such as PDF. If desired, customize the subject line and message for the email. Review all settings to confirm they meet your requirements. Once satisfied, click on the Send button to finalize your automated reporting setup. To verify your automation is successful, navigate back to the Reports section. Check your email on the scheduled day to ensure you receive the report as intended. If you need to make adjustments, repeat the process starting from the Share button. Consider setting up additional reports for different metrics or audiences. This will allow you to have a comprehensive overview of your analytics over time. Monitoring your automated reports routinely will help ensure data accuracy and relevance. With this setup complete, you can focus on analyzing data trends and insights without the manual effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.